Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. Before watching the video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. So guys, today in this video we will cover or learn data formatting. Means how would we prepare the data or our reports in a presentable way using a VBA code, right guys? So guys, sometimes sometimes we have received a raw data in such a way where there is no alignment, no border, right, and no just formatting and etc. things that we need to correct in a raw data. So how would I correct that formats? So let me show you the raw data where just where I want to some formatting in our raw data. Let me show you the data. So this is our data, right, where you can see that there is no alignments here, right, in the cells. Sometimes it's here, sometimes in the mid, right, and there is no borders, right, and you can see the productivity percentage. So yeah, guys, there is no just percentage, and guys, you can see the currency. So there is no just symbol of currencies, and guys, you can see the date as well. So there is no header. So guys, let me tell you each and everything one by one, right? So guys, basically, so let me show you the coding video for this. Guys, I have already written the code for this to understand you the multiple thing in a just in a short period. So that is why I have written all the codes already, right? So now I'm taking a one variable, very well, SST type of worksheet, and I also take the one variable type of long to calculate the number of field rows, and I have set the worksheet here, right, and here I have calculated how many rows fields in our row data. Alright guys, so now I'm commenting each rows, decommenting each row. Now I'm removing the comments from this line of code, right? So guys, you can see here that what this is the row, this is the header we have, right? So guys, I want what this header should be in a italic font, all right, and just the font face should be bold, all right, and the interior color of the cell should be red. So let me show you all the things one by one. So here in this line I have selected the headers from A1 to J1 and select the font of the header is italic, right? Then in the next line, what I have done here, I just I have done the font of the header to bold, right? In the next line, what I done here, I just change the color of the font to green, right? And in the next line, what I done, I have changed the interior color of the headers to VB red. Alright, so guys, I'll execute this code one by one, right? So just please keep the watching, just please, I have requested you, just once you watch this video, so please watch this video till the end, right? So in this line, right, what I have done, in this line I have fixed the border of the selected range, right? So here I have choose the line style equal to Excel continuous, and I have the another method, that is you can change the border color as well, right? If you want to just border color line red or orange, you can use that property as well. And in this line I have adjusted the data, right? Sometimes just sometimes we have big text in a single cell. So what I have done here, with the help of out of it, the data just the data would be auto adjusted according to the cell, right? Not the data, cell should be the cell would be auto adjusted according to the data, right? And in this line we have choose the number format. Means let me show you, I want this data just this productivity should be in a percentage, right? I want this data would be in percentage. So for this I have used the number format function here, and given the values 0.00 percentage, right? Just go to the next line of code. Here you can see I have applied the number format functions on the J column, right? So let me show you the J column. This is the J column. So right guys, I want the currency in the US format, right? So how would I do that? I'll just simple, I have the just using the number format, and then I have the given format. So this is the format to just for to convert the numbers into the US currencies, right? You can choose another as well if you have, right? So I have changed the value in the dollar. So in the next row, in this row, in a K column, you can see that in a K columns we have the time, right? So I want this time in HH, mm and SS format. So here we have only the HH, mm, right? So I want this data in hours, minute and seconds. So how would I change this? Let me show you. We have the just we already apply the number format and given the format, that is HH, mm, SS, right guys? And guys, in the next line, let me show you the data. So this is my data, and you can see in L column, guys, in L column we have 10, right? And my requirement is I want this date format in YY, right? So this data should be in dash YY, right? So how would I do that? So just for this I just choose a number format and given the format, right? YY, right? And at the last I have one line of code here. So guys, in this, with the help of this line of code, I have set the alignment of the whole data, right? And that is Excel center. Means, let me show you what would happen after this code. Guys, you can see that this data align in the left side, right? Not left side, in the right side. So after executing the code, this code would be aligned in the center, right guys? So guys, now I am executing this code one by one, and let me show you the output after execution of a single line. Alright, so guys, now when you want to execute the program line by line, then you can use F8, right guys? So I'm going to execute one by one, pressing F8 here. Now what you can see that from A1 to AN from A1 to L1. Sorry, what had happened? Oh, I had choose J1, but I have to choose L1. Sorry guys. We can go back as well with the help of L, right? Because we have the data till L column. Right guys? Okay, it's not a big deal. So guys, now I'm pressing F8 again. Now you can see the date headers font face, right? Now the data has been changed into italic format, right? The text of the data has been changed into the italic, right? Now I'm going to execute this line. After the execution of this line, the header would be changed to the bold, right? Header would be bold here, the text. Now you can see now the font base would be has been bold, right? Now I'm going to this part. After the execution of these colors, font color would be green, right? Here, right? Now after the execution of this code, the interior color of the cell would be red, right guys? Now you can see after the execution of this code, the whole range of the data would be borders, right? The border would be aligned on the whole range. Now you can see that here is the input, here is the output, right? All data has been bordered, right? Now this is the method which is AutoFit. So I have applied this method on the column. So all columns would be automatically adjusted as per the data. Alright, now you can see that so all column would be adjusted according to the data, right? So now after the execution of this code, what will happen? You can see the column I has been, the format of the column I has been changed to the percentage. You can see right in this column, right? After the execution of this code, the column J values change to the US currencies, right? Let me show you, right? This column value has been changed to the US currencies, right? So after the execution of this line, right, what you can see that you can see this would be changed to the hours, meter and second format, right guys? Now you can see now here this has been changed, right, as per our requirements. In the L column, what you can see, you can see that after the execution of the code, this would be changed to the mm-yy, right? So now I'm going to execute this. Now you can see so this data has been changed to the format which I wanted. All right. So this is the last. So after the execution of the code, so whole data of the seed would be aligned in the center. Right, now you can see that whole data would be aligned to the center, right? You can see that. Now the code has been run and the final output is here, right guys? So now the data, our data in a presentable way. If you want to do something extra in this, just in this raw data, so you can do that. If you have any help of any issues or any concern, so just write your concern in a comment box. I'll get back to you on that. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for the watching. Bye.